It's being a parent myself. I really have to tell you that we just have to sometimes not always be a parent, and I think be a friend. And I know that sounds kind of weird to hear that, because some parents will say, well, I'm not supposed to be my child's friend. I'm supposed to be the parent. I'm just saying you got to listen to them, in a way that sometimes you may not agree with where they're thinking they want to go or what it is that they want to do. But through my experience, I have found with the students at our schools and with my own children, that if you give them the opportunity to see and experience the things that they feel that they're interested in, they're most apt to be successful at that versus trying to push them into something that they really don't want to do. Today, you can read in through social media or through any publication that our colleges are being outperformed by technical colleges like we can't believe. I mean, truly, you're seeing kids that can go to school and within a year come out with amazing training and make amazing living doing something that they love.